Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Trader Joe's orange chicken. First, remove the frozen chicken pieces and the 2 sauce packets from their original bag. You will want to thaw the sauce packets separately, perhaps by placing them in a bowl of warm water while the chicken begins to cook. This simple initial step ensures your sauce is ready to go exactly when you need it, preparing you for a perfectly coated, delicious meal. For crispy results, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. If using an oven, preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake on a parchment-lined tray for 20 to 25 minutes, turning once. Both methods ensure the chicken is golden brown and cooked thoroughly, delivering that satisfying crunch you desire. While your chicken cooks, gently warm the thawed orange sauce packets in a small saucepan over low heat. Stir the sauce for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until it is warm and smoothly pourable, but do not let it boil. Once the chicken is fully cooked, immediately add it to the warm sauce in the saucepan. Toss everything together carefully until each piece of chicken is glistening with that savory orange glaze. Your delicious Trader Joe's orange chicken is now ready to enjoy. For a complete meal, serve it alongside fluffy steamed white rice, allowing the sauce to meld beautifully with the grains. Adding some fresh, steamed broccoli or a crisp green salad will complement the flavors perfectly and add a touch of freshness. Prepare for a satisfying and flavorful dinner that feels wonderfully homemade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.